Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。When 什么时候要发生什么事情呢？今天呢，我们持续呢要用这个主题，什么时候？
意思
That means when。好，有的时候，旁边的同事啦、朋友啊，有计划要出国，通常都会很早就预告了。
对，
我要出国了，
因为要叫你代班。
也是啦，对，可是就是会有一点那种感觉，要放松的心情，要预告给大家听。
没错。
可是呢，相对的，人家就会
你要记得哦，我帮你哦，你要帮我带等路回来礼物哦。
好朋友的话当然 OK 啦，对不对？最怕就碰到很多人就给你订单那样，很可怕。
然后都不是买自己的。
对，没错。All right, let's say you're going abroad, you're going on a vacation, and people are asking, when are you going to do that? Let's put you in this scenario. 你什么时候出国？
几时出国？
几时出国？出国 that means 出国 Okay, that means going abroad 出国 Okay, 几时 we just taught you again. When are you going abroad? Let's say it's next month. 下个月啊。
哈长耶啦。
哈长耶啦。哈长 that means 下一个。然后月耶啦 that means next month. 这时候呢，朋友就说好好哦 So good, I'm so jealous. 我们会说 I'm so jelly. 然后很可爱的说法，就是我好嫉妒哦。然后但是还是要人家买礼物啦哦。好好哦，记得买礼物给我哦。
喊后哦。
喊后哦。然后
记得买电路本爱。
记得买就是记得买哈。
对。
电路本爱。
电路本爱，电路就是礼物。
对，这我们常常教的字要记得哦。电路就是伴手礼，礼物都是电路。本来好像要分给我，
给我
对，要给
我，
对，而且是送我，不能给我那个，还要说，这是总共2820块这样子，还要换算当天的那个什么
汇率
，no，就是要买礼物啊，对不对？记得买电路本来，Okay, that means remember to buy some gifts for me, okay? All right, let's review some of these vocabulary right here. For instance, 出国 going abroad. 出国或者是 vacation 其实是出国放假的意思了嘛哈下个月 next month 哈长耶 okay that means next month and then that gift a present or 伴手礼也是礼物嘛对不对电路 and that's a gift all right it's all about asking when 什么时候几时 okay when are you going abroad and when you do remember to buy those special gifts for your special someone and that is today's Practical Hakka
什么太嘎
汉字 say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.